Watchmen Movie and Tendai BT have lost control of the divided CCC after the parliament approved the parliament pages by the Citizen Coalition for Change controversial Secretary General Sangso Chabangu. Sanapenda mashoko ationa kuti aiwa Watchmen Movie na BT aiwa vachizoluza control yebato rinozikanwa ravakabvutira kuna vaari vanosonja musanobo subscribe like or turn on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa Zimbabwe uranyora chiti this year's raised tensions within the Citizen Coalition for Change led by Watchmen Movie, prompting them to approach the High Court in Bulawayo to contest the reshuffle, arguing that Chabangu lacks the authority to make such changes without party approval. However, despite the legal challenge, Parliament announced the changes, appointing Maureen Kademaunga as the new leader of the opposition, replacing Lineti Karenyi Kore, while Nohlasha Muhloswa was appointed as the overall chief whip of the opposition. The spokesperson Willis Matsimure condemned Parliament's decision to implement the changes. He said, "The matter is before the court, and according to the courts, the matter will be heard on Friday, and it is alarming. It is shocking that after the speaker has been served with the court papers, he went on to make the arrangement. As a party, we are operating in a normal democracy where the rule of law is respected. When we have such a situation, approach the courts." Chabangu assumed control of the party in October 2023 and began recalling dozens of elected representatives, leveraging support from both parliament and the judiciary. Thomas Kwatuko nabuda panguva ino tiona kuti aiwa vakomana naWatchmen Movie vanozikanwa kuti vamboitawo zvakashata vachirikula each and everyone mu Citizen Coalition for Change vakanga aelektiwa nevanhu zviri pamutemo. Panapa vauchiuya manje vakubvisiwa tiona vamwe vachirikulewa zvatakuona zvakuvabata-bata. Vanhu vari kuti aiwa ngazvitodaro shuwa nokuda kuti aiwa makapotirwadzisa panguva ino ichisanganewo neyo real truth. Tudze mafunguro enyu pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.